Happy Wednesday. We're going to start off again by thumbs up and thumbs down. Let's just go ahead and start. Leg, peg. Thumbs up, very good. Mad, made. Thumbs down, very good. Save, cave. Thumbs up, very good. Last one. Talk, rock. Thumbs up, very good. All right. I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to give me the onset or the beginning sound, words that begin with it. 3 more. I'm going to do 2. Bee, bone. Cup, can't. Get, gone. Now I am going to break apart a word, and you have to give me the word that represents the word that I broke apart. Ing. Landing. Very good. Ing. Sending. Very good. Ing. Hunting. Very good. Ing. Knowing. Very good. All right, I'm going to say a word and then you break it apart. Ready? Digging. Very good. Ing. Digging. Sobbing. Very good. Ing. Sobbing. Last one. Joking. Very good. Ing. Joking. All right. I'm going to say a word. Please repeat it. Blocking. Now add b to the beginning. Blocking. Very good. Lipping. Add k to the beginning. Clipping. Very good. Lying. Add f to the beginning. Flying. Very good. Last one. Topping. Add s to the beginning. Stopping. Very good.